Bonnie.
Time for Futures in Focus. Joining me now from the CME is Scott Bauer from Prosper Trading Academy. Scott, what do you make of the increase in oil prices per barrel this week? We only got the news that there was going to be a continuation of the same type of policy out of OPEC.
Yeah, I think the new oil minister that was named, who's part of the royal family, is very well respected, but he's going to take a harder line with some of the OPEC plus nations, especially Russia, in terms of adhering to the supply, cutbacks and extending them. So I think the market likes that a lot. The market is very bullish over that. However, we've just broken some near-term resistance in oil, right? 57.5 was some pretty good resistance. We've broken that. We may see 60, though I truly think that the global issues that are still out there, especially with the slowdown that we're continuing to see in China, is really going to weigh on the oil space, and I would expect a pullback from here.
All right, well, we're at 58.64 right now.
Yep.
I want to ask you about gold as well, because we have in an interesting little relationship here with the 1500 mark. We've spot gold at 1503.80 now. Where does gold go?
It's really been kind of running in its place for the last week or so, and I think it probably stays there until we see what happens with the Fed next week. We know we're going to get the quarter cut. How dovish are they going to be? So I think that we could see gold, maybe going up another $30, $40 from here if we see a very dovish stance. However, if we do get some rhetoric saying that we're going to wait, we're going to pull back, things aren't so bad here, we could see a pretty big drop here, a drop maybe in the likes of 2 to 3% pretty quickly.
Scott, thank you for your thoughts today. That is Scott Bauer from the Prosper Trading Academy joining us there from the CME.